Again, I want to thank the people of South Africa for their patience and forbearing despite the huge delays. And my hope and prayer is that this democracy of South Africa that has been the pride of Africa for these years will continue to show us its strength and maturity as we move forward. And we continue to ask for patience as we wait for the results to come streaming through. Whatever problems may have been, it will come out in all the different reports that have been there, all the issues that have appeared. And we have confidence that the Electoral Commission will rectify these going forward. So our hope and prayer is with the people of South Africa.